Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to block someone on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to block someone on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to block someone on Fiverr mobile app. So today I'm going to show you how to block someone on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If any seller or buyer you don't want to work is disturbing you and you want to block them, how you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Now you are seeing different buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on inbox icon. Now select the person you want to block. For example, I'm willing to block this one. Click on it. Now select three dots at the top right corner. Now click on block and then confirm it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to block someone on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.